Oh, there's one. There's something. Oh yeah. Nice old trout. There we go. There we go. It is 15 inches. Hey, it's Brian and you're watching Carolina Outdoorsman. And you know what time it is. It's crabbing time. We're out here at the bridge gonna throw these traps in the water. Also brought the fishing pole along, so we'll see how that goes. I'll get back to you when we start pulling stuff in. So we got those things out. We'll let them sit for about 15 minutes or so. And then we'll see how the crabbing's gonna be today. All right, these have been sitting for about 15 minutes. Let's see if we got anything. Oh yeah. There's a couple little dudes. Very nice. Nothing there. All right, let's see if they're in the shallows. So there were times when I was out fishing and my batteries would die. So I bought this little solar power pack from 4 Patriots. And so I brought it out with me today. As you can see, it is very overcast. But what's really cool about this is it's still charging. There's enough solar energy is getting through the clouds to charge the power pack. So I thought that was really cool. I didn't think it would be able to charge in this type of weather. So good to know. Oh, there's one. There's something. Oh yeah. Nice old trout. There we go. There we go. It is 15 inches. Very nice. So speckled trout have been under a lot of pressure lately. So we're gonna let this guy go. There you go, buddy. Well, that was a pleasant surprise. Let's see if there's any more around here. Now I'm just using a 1/4 ounce jig head with the chicken on the chain paddle tail and just letting the current work it. I saw you down at the boat ramp the other day.
Yeah. Got that big trout?
I actually just caught one.
Yeah.
He's been sitting for a little bit. If we got anything. There's a real little dude. I mean, teeny tiny. Oh, this got something. Oh yeah, there's one. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a big guy. Nothing in that one. All right, let's see how big this guy is. Oh yeah, he's 5 3/4. Nice rusty bottom too. There we go. Nice 5 3/4 Jimmy. That'll work. And the cooler you go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come here. That's it. Oh, we got off. He looked like a little one though. That was probably, I doubt that was 14 inches. Very cool though. Alright, so the weather is turning, plus the current is just ripping through here right now. Okay, so the weather has taken a turn. It's gotten a lot more windy out here, and the current is just ripping right now. It's actually hard to keep the traps on the bottom. So we are gonna pack it up and head on out of here. Had a great day though. We caught 2 speckled trout, landed one. We did let it go, and we caught a couple crabs as well, and we're gonna let them go also. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. Really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you next time.
So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. We release new content every Saturday morning and Wednesday evening, so stay tuned for more. If you want to keep the fun going, check out another video from our channel or dive into our curated playlist right here. See you in the next one and have a great day.